Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the color temperature on your MSI G242L. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to the monitor settings. There's a red button on the right bottom of the screen. And now here we need to go over to the image, and here we will have the color temperature. So as you guys can see, now it's normal, but now it's cool, now it's warm, and now here we can click OK and customize it, like the red, the green, and the blue. We can change all of it, and if we want to set it to anything else, then we simply click on OK. Now I recommend using the normal one, I think is the best one, or the warm one if you're watching a movie. From my personal experience, I think the warm is good for movies and normal is good for, let's say, even gaming. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.